Gigi the Gadget Goddess. Got a sunny day, got to come outside. And I am going to unbox some cases for this LG Velvet. I'm not gonna stay out here too long. It's gotta be about 90-something degrees. But we're gonna get into this. It's gonna be a Kimmy Quickie, and we're gonna roll with it. Thank you to Ringke for sending out these cases for the LG Velvet. I'm sure a lot of you watch my review package come from LG, and I didn't have a case of mine like some of the other reviewers. I didn't lose it, it just wasn't in there. Ringke came through, right? I had to bring out my Ringke Fusion case that I have for my iPhone there. I love Ringke. This is the first time Ringke has supplied me cases. I usually buy my own. So shout out to Ringke, and let's get this going. Okay, I have to stop this because this is so sweet. Ringke says, Gadget Goddess, I just wanted to let you know how much we appreciate all the hard work you put into your reviews from Ringke. You're amazing. Thanks, Ringke. We're gonna get into these cases. Now, these aren't my regular Ringke Fusion X cases. These are Fusion though, so will serve the same purpose. As always, I open mine from the bottom. I have kind of said that in other videos if you weren't watching previous videos. I will leave links in the description to both of these cases. Accessory discounts. First, you have to take out the inside and the outside films. I did it some other kind of ways in the past where sometimes I would leave the film in, but these are completely clear cases, so you don't want to leave the film on there because then you'll have all those little words there. Let me see how long it takes me to get this dual screen case off of this phone. So that was probably 5 seconds for you, a little bit longer for me. These are actually like the same case. One is a glossy finish and one's a matte finish, and y'all know I'm a matte fan. When I unboxed the Velvet itself, I put a screen protector on it, but it's not playing nice with the dual screen. So maybe it'll play nicer with the regular case. So we're just gonna slide that in there. It slides in nicely. It gives nice border protection. Nice lip across the top. You can't really have a lip on the sides because it is a curved screen phone. Cutouts appropriate for microphones, charger, and headphone jack. All of my buttons are here. Google Assistant, volume up and down, and my power button over here. Another microphone up here. Got all kinds of fingerprints. I probably should have wiped that down first. But you have a nice lip around your camera here, camera protection, so you don't really need a camera protector. You know, I like to install those on my phones as well. This, give you the exact name, is the Fusion Velvet Clear. So this is the regular Fusion Velvet Clear. All right, one down, one to go. Just tell you, outside unboxings are the gift and the curse. I love being outside, but it is hot. Back to this unboxing, right? So I think this is gonna be the case for me because I told you, I like matte. See, you can't really see through it, but you still get to show a phone off in its glory. Let me stick this in here. Click. Click. All right, so here we are. I wiped it down a little better, but look, you're not gonna have all those fingerprints. Look how the sun is glistening off of that bad boy. It's pretty. You still have protection around your camera. You still got your hole for your speaker up here, microphone and speaker holes down here at the bottom. Plug in for your headphone jack and charger. Again, you have your buttons, power button on the side, up and down volume, and your Google Assistant button. Everything just lays nicely. You still got a lip on the top and the bottom. And no lips on the side, of course, because curved edge. Told you I wouldn't hold you long. These are great cases. I look forward to using them. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching this Kimmy Quickie. Holla!